guys, today I'm gonna wash this dish. My mom told me how to wash it yesterday and last night. And I'm gonna finish this first before I do it. I will finish.
And the next? What's next?
No.
Huh?
Rinse. Rinse.
Okay.
Okay. I'm so down. That is step one.
What is the step one?
Step one was to rinse.
Okay.
Yeah. Now we have to
Step two.
step two. Put some bubbles.
No, not that one.
Okay.
That's for hand soap. Use the orange.
Okay. Let's for sponge. Okay.
Got it?
I got it. Please. It's not too much. Maybe I have to add some more. So it's like this. Ha.
Okay. Put a little bit water para mag-bubbles. Yes. Sige na, ano na.
Okay.
Scrubby-dub-dub. Use the yellow one, not the green one. Yan. Ayan guys. Si hershyl maghugas og plato. Second time na niya maghugas og plato. Pinana siya maghugas guys. Agoy na lang. Pero maghugas. Agoy na lang guys. Mabasa imong shirt.
I can't. They're here.
Put it here. Oh. Wait. Give me a second. Para dito mag-ano ang mga... Got it?
Yeah, I got it.
Sa ano? Sa likod. Is it heavy?
No, not that heavy.
Why are you so mad doing that? Are you mad?
No.
Okay, good job.
Is it time to rinse now?
No, rinse the.
The sponge. This.
Where are you, Batuta?
I rinse my hands. So no bubbles on it.
Okay. Next step.
Step to rinse.
Don't forget at the back, okay?
Okay, Batuta.
Is it?
Yeah, I think it's good.
Okay.
Pero wag butang na.
This.
Mm-mm. Wash the heads and wash the
Bottom.
yeah. Patindog para ma-dry. Patindog ang ang fork and spoon.
How about this one?
Is it clean? Did you?
I'm just gonna try this one because it has soap on it. Sorry about
Wait.
that.
Okay,
Sorry about that. It just fell. So the other step to clean
Kusog
this.
yung boses tapos smart. Ay, smile.
you need to clean the
Wow.
sink.
Just put it here.
Yes. Yeah. Very good. And then this one, oh, wipe this. So dirty.
Hot. Like that,
Squeeze it.
and then like that.
Wipe, wipe, wipe. Wipe, wipe, wipe.
Ah. Si Batuta, bababaw na kung di siya baba.
Wipe, wipe, wipe. Then, nak, ano nak? So, you're done?
Yep. I'm just gonna put the extra one in here.
And then,
Okay guys, that's it. Make sure you did the same thing. If it's too fast, then just pause it. Just try to remember it. So goodbye, kids. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and give us like 100 views. And don't forget to smash the notification bell. Give us likes, please.
and share.
And share
And comment.
and comment. So goodbye.
See you.
See you later in my next
You have to do
video.
like this, oh.